we were not born like that in an era where people did not come for selfies for entrepreneurs. I was born in an era where I used to take selfies from Bollywood people. Right? Bollywood used to be one thing which used to inspire a lot of us in India. हम लोग बॉलीवुड के पीछे भागते थे सर, क्रिकेट के पीछे भागते थे. Entrepreneurship के पीछे कौन भागता था सर? ऐसा नहीं था. Entrepreneurship never used to be positive.
You know, you ever thought that you'll be like this celebrity when you were starting out your company? The celebrity thing about you, it's become huge, Aman.
Yeah.
There have been a lot of people on Shark Tank. A lot of people on Shark Tank. No disrespect to the others.
Yeah.
Including the more controversial
ones.
It's
fine, you can.
Yeah, I can. No disrespect to Ashleen Grover and others. Sorry. No, anyway, whatever. Yeah. But you stand out, Aman.
That is, sir.
You stand out. What is the secret of standing out in that fishbowl of Shark Tank?
Yeah.
What made you stand out, Aman? Changed your life? How did it start? Tell us about it. And you've given a lot of time to it.
Yeah.
And you're sort of this role model. Many people watching today will be watching to know you as a role model because of Shark Tank.
Yeah.
Not just because of boat.
100%, sir. 100%.
Am I right?
100%.
Am I overstating it? Or?
No, you're absolutely right, sir. There is no
if
doubt.
I park the car anywhere right now, people will know you for Shark Tank and then for boat.
Yeah. You're right, sir.
Am I right?
Absolutely.
Is that
right.
a good thing or a bad thing, Aman?
Sir, Rita, I'll tell you, sir, you asked me, when you were starting this conversation, Abhi, you said, did you expect this to happen? Did you work towards it? Sir, I think, my personal view is that I always say that I never thought that boat will be as big as it is today. I never thought? Yeah, no, I never thought, sir, boat will be #1 in India in audio for last few quarters. Never thought that I will be a known face. You know, it's like I never thought people will love me or they will be an entrepreneur can be a celebrity. We were not born like that in an era where people did not come for selfies for entrepreneurs. I was born in an era where I used to take selfies from Bollywood people. Right? Bollywood used to be one thing which used to inspire a lot of us in India. हम लोग बॉलीवुड के पीछे भागते थे सर, क्रिकेट के पीछे भागते थे. Entrepreneurship के पीछे कौन भागता था सर? ऐसा नहीं था. Entrepreneurship never used to be positive. It used to be more negative. अभी ये बहुत सही हुआ है that people now, I think post Shark Tank also, a little bit has, this coming on TV has helped that people are saying, यार entrepreneurs भी बन सकते हैं. Entrepreneurship can also be celebrated. और US वगैरह में था सर. If you see Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, people used to,
हाँ, 15 साल पहले था. उससे पहले वहाँ पे भी ऐसा नहीं था. वहाँ पे there was institutionalized business. See, Ford, General Electric, Rolls Royce. These are institutional businesses. This is not the dream business of a person who stands out on his own. Entrepreneurship is also singular. Entrepreneurship is individual based. Am I right?
No, but
and individual ambition as well.
But India में फिर भी हमें मार्क जुकरबर्ग पता था कौन है. We used to know Steve Jobs कौन थे, right? But इंडिया में नहीं होता था. इंडिया में entrepreneurs को नहीं सेलिब्रेट करते थे because एक saying थी सर कि businessman चोर होता है. ये बहुत बड़ी एक mental होता है कि business कर रहा है, पैसे बना रहा है, तो चोरी करके बना रहा होगा. वो change हुआ है सर. अगर आप if you see in the last few years, it has changed a lot. And now I'm very happy that now young people want to be entrepreneurs. They come to me and there's so many parents and who say, yeah, my daughter is your fan or my son is your fan and they want to be like you, they want to be entrepreneurs. So it's a positive change for the society.